My name is Ben Trombold. I'm the VP of Sales and Marketing here at Velentium. And so before I introduce the next set of companies, I just want to give you guys a couple minutes so I can introduce who Velentium is and kind of the value that we bring to our customers here in the med device industry. So first and foremost, Velentium is a contract design and manufacturing organization. We focus on design, developing, and manufacturing devices all the way from Class 2 wearables, all the way up through Class 3 active implantables, and everything in between. We specialize in these devices with our customers, predominantly targeting indications in the areas of neuromodulation, deep brain stimulation, cardiac, and diabetes management. We work with our customers throughout the entire stage of the product development lifecycle, starting with as early as research and feasibility, through minimally viable prototypes, animal studies, clinical trials, first in human, V&V testing, transfer to manufacturing, and finally commercial manufacturing. We have over 9 areas of engineering expertise, starting with our core competencies in electrical, firmware, and mechanical development, all wrapped together through systems engineering. But then we also have expertise in the areas of HFE and usability, embedded cybersecurity, mobile apps, including Android and iOS applications, automated test systems, as well as manufacturing. One part we're a little bit different. So we have a fully customizable, active implantable platform technology. So this isn't a one-size-fits-all platform like most people are used to. This is fully customizable, so it can be custom tailored to the needs of our customers as well as their devices. So we have a lot more features that aren't listed here, but some of the ones I want to point out are going to be we can use this in sense, stim, as well as closed-loop applications. Our channels can range all the way from 1 up to 32. For power options, we have primary cell, rechargeable, and batteryless options. For communication interfaces, we can include BLE, induction, as well as med radio. And then finally, all of our devices are compatible with Android and iOS applications that, as I've said before, we can develop as well. Finally, with regard to contract manufacturing, actually as of this week, we will be occupying our brand new 50,000 square foot manufacturing facility located in Houston, Texas. This manufacturing facility is going to allow us to manufacture all things affiliated with active implantable devices, including the devices themselves, leads, electrodes, external power units, chargers, clinician programmers, patient remotes, and then much, much more. So if you guys have any questions about any of the capabilities I've described to you today, my colleague, Mike Labby, and I, we have a booth right outside this track. We'd be happy to answer as many questions as you guys might have.